Hello everyone. Today we are going to learn data types concept in Python. It is the very most and very powerful, very important concept in Python. Today I'll explore basic to advanced types with a simple example. Let's go. What are data types? In Python, data type tells us what kind of data a variable can hold. Okay, every value belongs to a specific data type. Okay, look at here some examples of data types. See here, a name Vikram is a string type. Okay, and age 25, it is a number format and int type. And price 99.78, it is the float type. And yes or no, this is the Boolean type. So these are the simple examples of basic data types. Python data types. Python having several built-in data types. See here, int, whole numbers 10 or minus 4, float type, decimal numbers 3.414 or 0.99, like str, string type. It supports text or characters like hello or Vikram, something like. And bool type, boolean type, true or false. It supports only two, true or false only. List, ordered, changeable. This is the format of list type. And tuple, ordered, unchangeable. This is the type we are declaring the tuple variables. Okay, and the dict, key value pairs, like it shows like name and the value. Okay, and set, unordered and unique values. Okay, we will see a full details of individual data types in the next slide. Memory allocation in Python. See, you don't need to worry about memory allocation in Python because Python automatically manages memory allocation. Okay, if you want to check how much memory allocated to a variable, you can check through the sys.getsizeof function. Okay, see here, import sys. Here, sys is a module and we are importing this module through import keyword. Okay, here 10 is the value and we are assigning this value to a variable x. And here we are printing the value of x, and I mean size of x through sys.getSizeOf function. It shows memory and bytes. Okay, and see, remember one thing, memory varies by Python version, system architecture, object and content, etc. Okay, it's not same at all. Integer is used to store whole numbers like positive or negative, right? Like see, here 25 is positive numbers and negative number is minus 10, like this. And it is used for roll number, count, age, etc. Right? And remember one thing, no decimal points and no quotations are allowed. And the type conversion, we can convert other data types into integer format. See, here I am converting string to integer format and the value given in the output is 25. And here I'm converting the float value 3.9 into integer format and the result is 3. And here I'm converting Boolean value into integer format and the output is 1. See, true or false treated as zeros and ones in the number format. So true value is 1 and false value is 0. Okay. Float type stores decimal or fractional numbers. For example, 3.14, 0.99 or 100.0. These are useful for things like prices, percentage, or measurements. And type conversion. See, we can convert other data types into float type. So here I'm converting 3.14 and it gives 314. We are converting string to float here. And here I'm converting integer to float and it gives 7.0 value. And here I'm converting a Boolean value into float format and it gives 1.0. The bool type has only two values, true and false. It is used for decision making and conditions. Right? Here are some examples. See, Boolean 0. See, this shows false value. And bool 1, it is true. And bool here empty value within the double quotes. And it shows false. And bool s, it shows true. Okay. String or str is used to store text. Everything in the quotations treated as a text or means string. So we can use single quote or double quotes. Okay. And it is used for names or messages or something, etc. Okay. And it supports length, upper slicing. So how do we use this all functions? See, here I'm declaring name equal to alias. Okay, I have created name and I assigned alias to name and then len of name. This len function is used to know the length of the variable name. Okay, and name dot upper. This is used to show the name in the uppercase letter. Okay, and name within the brackets 0 is to 3. This is called slicing. Okay, you can also convert numbers to strings using str function. Okay, see here I am converting integer format to string and it gives 1 to 3 value in a double quotes. This is called string because everything in the quotations are treated as a text only, right? And here I'm converting float value to string format and it gives 3.14 in within the double quotes. Okay, this is the string type. List mutable sequence. Okay, so a list is an ordered collection that you can change. It can contain numbers, strings, or both, even duplicates also. Okay, so here are some examples. Look at here. See, fruits equal to apple, banana, apple. Why? Because it is a duplicate value. Because list allows duplication. Okay, so these are the values I'm assigning to fruits. Okay, and this line fruits dot append of mango. Okay, this append function is used to add one value to fruit. Okay, this add one value to fruits. And now fruits dot remove banana. This remove function is used to remove one value from the fruits like variable. Okay, so you can also convert other sequences into lists. See, here I'm converting string to list format. Tuple. Immutable sequence. A tuple is similar to a list, but it cannot be changed after creation. It is used for fixed data like coordinates. See here the example location equal to 10 comma 20. It is fixed. Okay. And see here other type conversation. See this is the list and we are converting to tuple format and it gives 1 comma 2 and here I'm converting a string to tuple and it gives hi in the tuple format. Okay, unordered and unique. A set is an unordered collection that stores only unique values. Duplicates are automatically removed. See, example, nums equal to 1 comma 2 comma 2 comma 3. Okay, here 2, we write 2 in 2 times, right? Duplicate value. But see the output is only 1 comma 2 because it automatically eliminate duplicate values, right? And the other types to set. So here I'm converting a list to set. See, list allows duplicate values. So 1 comma 1 comma 2, but we are converting list to set, but output gives 1 comma 2. Why? Because set only allows unique values, not duplicate value. It automatically removes another one and it gives unique values 1 comma 2. So here I'm converting string to set. So it gives a comma b in a set format. Okay. A dictionary or dict stores as a key value pair. It is commonly used in real world data structures like JSON format. Okay. See here is an example. Person equal to name Ravi, age 20. This is the key value format and we are printing person of name and it gives the output Ravi. See, this is the one of the type conversation. We are converting a list of tuples. See, a list of tuples into dictionary format and it gives a is to 1 in the tick format. Okay. Non-type and complex. See, non-type represents no value, means none, and complex. It supports complex data like A plus B Z, like 3 plus 4 Z. See, we will learn these concepts in detail in the future with real-time examples. Okay. We have learned numbers, int, float, and text, string, booleans, bool type, collections, list, tuple, set, dict, special types, non-type, complex. Understanding these types will help you write more efficient and error-free Python programs. If this video helped you, please like, subscribe, and leave a comment. See you in the next one. Happy coding!